Hey guys, I'm Cheyenne. Welcome to my first video tutorial. Today we are gonna be building this beautiful watch design just by HTML and CSS. And we are gonna use the JavaScript for move these click hands to displaying time. So okay, I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. If you want see more videos about web development, you can subscribe the channel. Okay, so if you are ready, let's get started. Firstly, I will create my React application here. So I will say npx create React app. It's gonna be on this folder. Okay, during this installation, I will tell you something that can help you to do this project. If you don't know anything about React, don't worry, because it's not necessary to use React. You can use just HTML, CSS and JavaScript for do this project, and you don't need to use React for this project. Okay, I pause this video and come back after install this application. Okay, as you can see, my React app created. To begin, we should delete some file because we don't need some of them, like this and this and this and this in the public folder. Okay, also in this folder src we don't need app.css, and this and this and also this. And we should edit our file. We don't need a header in this file, and we don't need any import from here. And I delete also this. And in this file we don't need some line. I need this line, but we don't need this and this. Okay, I think it's good, and we should add some file like that JSX. Okay, like SCSS format, but we need to add Sass library. npm install Sass.
Also, we should install a React extension.
If you install this extension, you can use some shortcut that's useful. Like this. Yeah, and it's okay. And I should import my style CSS like okay.